In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send professional emails Gmail. Whether you're reaching out to a client, applying for a job, or coordinating with a team, a polished email helps you make a strong impression and get faster responses. Start with a clear subject line. Keep it short, specific, and aligned with your goal. Examples include project update, Q2 timeline, request for feedback on proposal, or follow-up, interview availability. Clear subjects help your message stand out in a busy inbox and make it easier for the recipient to prioritize. Open with a professional greeting that fits your relationship with the reader. For formal messages, try Dear Hiring Manager or Dear Team Lead. For a professional but friendly tone, use Hi Team or Hi There. Avoid slang or overly casual openings in formal contexts. Be clear, concise, and organized in the body. State your purpose in the first sentence so the reader knows exactly why you're writing. Keep paragraphs brief, 1 to 3 sentences, and break out lists with bullet points if you have multiple items to highlight. In Gmail, simple formatting like bold headings or bullets can make key details easier to scan without overwhelming the reader. Maintain a professional tone throughout. Skip emojis and slang, stay polite and respectful, even when you disagree, and match the level of formality to your audience. New contacts usually warrant a more formal approach. Familiar colleagues can handle a slightly warmer tone. Before you hit send, proofread. Check spelling and grammar, confirm you've addressed the right person at the correct email address, and read for clarity to make sure nothing can be misinterpreted. Small errors can undermine credibility. If you're including files, describe the attachment in your message so the reader knows what it is and why it matters. For example, attached is the draft proposal for your review by Friday. Clear labels reduce confusion and build trust. Close with a professional sign-off such as kind regards, best regards, or sincerely. Add a simple signature with your full name, your role or affiliation, and contact information like a link to your professional profile. A consistent signature reinforces your credibility and makes follow-up easy. Send at the right time and respond promptly. Aim for business hours, mid-morning often works well, and try to reply within about 24 hours when possible. Timely communication signals reliability. A few Gmail-specific tips. Use built-in tools like Help Me Write, available in some accounts, to refine tone and clarity. Schedule, send to time delivery for when your recipient is most likely to read it, and make sure your email address looks professional and reflects your name or business. With these practices, your Gmail messages will look polished, clear, and ready to get results.